Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by giving the unit stable power and the transducer a clear view. First, connect a fused 12V line and confirm polarity so the unit won't be damaged. Once powered, mount the display where you can see it from your normal seating and tilt it to avoid glare. Then position the transducer on the hull where flow is smooth, about 1/2 to 1 inch below the keel on most boats, so sonar readings stay clean and reliable. Once hardware is ready, run the on-screen setup wizard to set units, water type, and enable GPS. You'll tune gain and sensitivity while stationary. Lower gain to cut noise and raise it to reveal weak returns, because this balances clutter versus target visibility. Switch frequencies, higher for detail in shallow water, lower for depth. Make sure speed and temp sensors are calibrated and wait for a solid GPS lock, so your charts and waypoint logging are accurate when you start moving. Now you operate. Mark waypoints, build routes, and save sonar logs to review fish patterns later. Use chirp or down imaging to identify structure and bait. Change modes as depth and bottom type change so you get the best resolution. If you see no returns or intermittent readings, stop and inspect the transducer cable and connector for corrosion, remove any air gap or barnacles, and confirm it's not in turbulent flow behind the keel. Those fixes solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.